I'm Jacqueline, and I'm here with Debbie, our product manager, and I
Hi.
wanted to tell you about our today's day one daily deal that we have going on in our shop right now. This is for 24 hours only. We have 15% off of all of our fabric and kits. Again, 24 hours only. So we have all kinds of really pretty fabric bundles.
Beautiful florals. These are brand new.
Brand new in our shop.
Beautiful.
And
look at this blue with yellow.
Yeah.
I love that.
So, as soon as Christmas is over, you're thinking about the next thing. So you might want to grab some of these florals to make some really pretty spring and summer projects and just have them on hand. That way, when you're ready to make a project, you've got them and you're getting them on sale. We've got some basics, right? We've got this. These are fat quarters.
Yeah, all whites with little interests on them, white on white.
And then we've got these low volume half yard basics bundle. We've got, and then our kits are also included in this. So
fabric kits are on sale today.
Right. So for example, we've got our Love You Valentine kit. We've got our Hen Party block of the month with this adorable chicken fabric. You can get that on sale 24 hours only. And then we also have, here, you want to,
yes,
we have our mini kits, which are really popular. And here's an example of the fall themed one, the gathering season. And again, we have 5 of these little mini kits that you can get seasonal. We've got fall, Valentine's Day, a couple different spring ones, summer. So again, super quick and easy, comes with everything you need to make the little mini wall hanging, and you can get this for 15% off today only. That's our day one daily deal. Now remember, we're gonna have a different deal every day. So make sure you're opening your emails, find out what that daily deal is. And Debbie, why don't you tell them about the free shipping that we're gonna do throughout the week?
Right. If you reach $80 anytime during the week, accumulating all your sales together, $80, you'll get free shipping. Also, throughout the whole week, if you spend $25 and every $25 you spend, you get a free gift in your order. We're going to hold all the orders until next Monday. We'll start shipping and accumulate it all, and you will be reimbursed excess shipping or all your shipping if you hit $80.
Yep. So make sure you're following along all week. We've also got the holiday shop open. We've got sales in there too. We've got our special daily deal, which is going to change every day, and it's only going to be good for 24 hours. Yep. So today, day one, grab your kits and your fabric for 15% off, and we're going to see you tomorrow with our day 2 daily deal. Bye.
Bye.